Welcome to Idiots on the Road, where cars, chaos, and comedy collide. From shocking crashes to funny street moments, we bring you the wild side of driving. Stay tuned, because every second here keeps you hooked. This man tried to teach a lesson with his fists, but the driver decided to use his car instead. The result? A smashed vehicle and an unforgettable escape. Witness this shocking moment where a car crushes a cyclist beneath its wheels, proving that some accidents are hard to believe, even when you see them. This biker's impatience turns into a jaw-dropping crash with a truck that will make you rethink about this shortcut. This is a perfect example of why you should never stay in your car after a crash, because the biggest danger might be what's coming next. This strong man thought he'd won the fight, but the other driver just wasn't ready to back down, no matter the cost. This isn't just bad weather, it's instant karma for parking under a tree that was about to give up. This isn't just a crash, it's a real-life example of what happens when two drivers think they own the road at the exact same time. This driver's incredible reflexes turned what should have been a major crash into an epic save. This man's reckless dash triggered a catastrophic chain reaction, turning a busy road into a metal graveyard. This driver challenged a truck, but the truck driver simply used his size to show him who really owns the road. This car thought it was safe, but the house decided it was time for a very cold and very heavy blanket. This guy thought he could turn a car into a ski boat, and the results were exactly as funny as you'd expect. Looks like this car found the one car wash that's open 24 hours, and it's free with a side of property damage. Looks like this cycle rider didn't even need the car to crash. He managed to do it all on his own. Nature just gave him a free snow car wash and buried his ride as a bonus. This moment, two drivers decided to leave the road rather than cause a pileup, showing some serious control under pressure. What is your suggestion about the decision of this scene of these both drivers? This is what happens when someone believes their right to a sidewalk enjoyment is more important than the law of the road. This is a perfect example of why you should never assume the road is clear. The moment a driver's lucky timing saved them from a falling container, proving that sometimes you're just in the right place at the right time. This tractor is proving that some cars just need a little help getting out of bed in the morning. This man thought breaking the car door made him powerful, but he hears The handcuffs click. The real power was in that police cruiser all along. This isn't a drift competition. It's a perfect example of what happens when you try to be a race car driver on a public road. This isn't just destruction, it's a brutal execution. The crane didn't just crush the car, it erased it from existence. Can you tell me that what is really a problem? Why crane doing this? This is a brutal lesson in why you should slow down at every turn, especially when a massive truck is on the move. This driver is either a master of cool, or they just haven't noticed their car is falling apart behind them. This truck's back door found an unexpected way to close, but the parked car ended up paying the price. This driver's reckless speed didn't just cause one crash, it caused a massive pileup that nobody saw coming. This isn't a repair job, it's a personal vendetta. Watch as pure rage gets taken out on metal with a power drill. The turn was a suggestion he chose to ignore. The wall was the consequence he couldn't avoid. Someone didn't just mad, they got creative. This is the world's stickiest and most satisfying revenge. This guy thought he could make his car fly, and the tree was there to remind him that's not how it works. This truck driver idiot's mistake triggered a chain reaction of destruction on the motorway. Watch this woman whose revenge gets taken to an artistic level. She just not damaged it. It was systematically humiliated. This was no ordinary crash. It was a calculated revenge mission. The smashed door wasn't an accident. It was the exclamation point on his rage. This is a perfect example of what happens when you don't look both ways before you enter on the road. This is a perfect example of what can happen when you're driving on a busy highway and not paying attention. This isn't a parking tow. It's a parking disaster, showing that even the P-Man, Rose can have a very bad day. Looks like this guy's impatience led to a very expensive lesson in safe driving. This driver lost control, but somehow he got away with it. This isn't just a car crash, it's a brutal reminder that a little patience and slow speed can save your life. This isn't just a tow, it's a very public lesson in why you should always park in the right spot.